All right, the time has come where my motor died on my reel. I took it off to change it, but what was going on was this isn't my proportioner. This is a three-way valve. Works the same way, exact same way. But proportioner was here, and you always get leaks. You know, anybody who's been doing this a long time knows your SH will start leaking, and it was dripping down, and my motor was right there. Not this one, but one that was right here. You know, it stopped working, but I sprayed into it and it started working again. So I ordered a new one from Russ Johnson. Key tip. Oh, new truck. Key tip, by the way, make sure you order a sprocket when you get the new motor, because this one is not coming off. It's, you know, SH is corrosive, so it killed the motor, but it also killed the, you know, everything's seized together. But putting this new on, you're going to need definitely some kind of ratcheting to get in to take the bolts off. 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter, I think it was, but 1/2 inch works too. You're going to need something to fit in there, because that's what holds the motor on the side to power your reel. So you need something like this. I was able to get it off with ratcheting for most of them, but there was one that I needed this. Use good tools and you'll be better off. But the sprocket comes with set screws. One thing I noticed was this little metal piece that holds it in was here, like so, and that pops out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up where I need it and set the set screws and wire this bad boy up. The Titan, this is a replacement. Yeah, I think it's a little different, but I got it from Russ Johnson and it should line up perfectly. It's a little different, but the same footprint all in all. It's got 2 wires. You got your power coming in, and you can tell because it comes to this little, I guess, capacitor, and your ground, which is, you can see, is bolted right to the thing. So what I'm going to do is wire up the red to the power, and then the black to the ground. Alright, so the bolts back here, you can see they're hard to get to. You got to get in here. That's why having one of these guys is essential. But I got it all tightened up. So let's see if it's gonna work. This is the power cord. I got the ground wire on. Oh, hold on, it's got a touch of metal. Let's. Okay. I have my battery grounded to the frame. So now if it's on the frame, this should work. Okay, here goes nothing. It's working. So that's how you do it. So this is the old one. And like I said, the sprocket's usually stuck. So when you get one of these, make sure you get the sprocket as well. And yeah, we're rocking and rolling. So we'll put it back where it belongs, and we'll be good to go. So I just showed off my new truck. F250 2019 F250 gas, 6.2 Super Duty, 4-wheel drive, 4-door, and this thing is ready to be loaded down. You can see the factory lift. It's a little lifted in the back versus the front because it's meant to be loaded down. So I'm either going to get a new skid, but I think I'm going to do is take it slow and just build out a little trailer, just so you know, I have a backup rig, and then just keep rocking with this. And then if I get when I got commercial jobs, I can bring a trailer and put like a I don't know, 500, 750 gallon water tank on there so I could bring waters to the job sites. But yeah, we're rocking and rolling. So as long as it's on the frame, we're gonna, so we're rocking. New motor. Russ Johnson, shout out to you. Okay, got it mounted back on. And we're working. See, the footprint is a little different than the stock one, but you can see a little bit of the difference here, but it works. That's the main thing, it works. Yeah, buddy. Shout out Russ Johnson, Southside Equipment, Kentucky. I'll link his number below.